every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta. Welcome to my food challenge where I'm trying Laura in the Kitchen recipes for the very first time in front of the camera together with you. And today I'm going to try Laura's waffles, and I'm so happy because this recipe was finally the excuse to buy the heart-shaped waffle machine. Now, for many of us Lithuanians, well, we don't even call them waffles actually. Those shaped waffles are named the heart pancakes, and boy oh boy do they remind us of our childhood. So this is a happy day for me. So if you want to see how it goes trying out the waffle machine for the very first time along with the recipe, how they look and how they taste in the very end, then keep on watching. We're gonna need 280 grams of flour, 1.5 cups of milk, 100 grams of butter, melted, 2 eggs, 30 grams of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'll start with the wet batter, so to a large bowl I'm gonna add the milk, the melted butter, eggs, vanilla extract, and just mix everything together. And now before I add my dry ingredients into the wet, I want to just quickly mix them together. So into the flour I'm gonna add the sugar, baking powder, and salt. Briefly mix it in, then add it to the wet mixture and mix to combine but not overwork the batter, so that, as Laura said, my waffles or pancakes or whatever they are called in your country would be fluffy. I prepared my waffle machine, which, by the way, I just heard that I'm supposed to call it waffle iron. My god, it sounds so funny to me. Why? Why iron? Anyways, I prepared it for the first use as I will play with it for the very first time today, so I have no idea how this will go, but hopefully everything will turn out fine. So as for the amount you need to use for your waffle machine, as well as how long you should cook, you should refer to the manual of the thing, because, you know, everything is different. So for mine, they wrote nothing about the amount, so I'll try what Laura did and start with 1/3 of a cup. Then I'll gauge. So what you want to do is pour the batter into the center and just spread it around a little bit. And then, as for time, it said for me, for my particular machine, it will take approximately 4 to 5 minutes. So looking at the amount of the batter and at the size of this, I'm realizing that I will spend quite some time here. This took forever. But I mean, anytime I use such kind of a machine, be it a waffle maker or a sandwich maker or panini maker, usually if you are making a batch, that will take some time. Oh wait, I want to show. I made such a mess. My god, with just a couple of ingredients, I managed to make such a mess in the kitchen. Would be surprised. But I'm very happy later to clean it up. Look how nicely it just tears. It's very interesting. It's soft, and I can feel the kind of crunchy at the ends at the same time. I have a feeling this will be such a delight. I'm eating it like I don't know, person who never saw a utensil. And they're warm. This is so cool. You know how pancakes get cold so quickly? These, even though it took me, forever and a half, it's warm. And if I dig from somewhere like underneath, like from the bottom or the middle of the waffles, it will be even hot, I bet. Oh, this is great. Not really sure what's the difference between the pancake now. That's the legit question I'm like thinking about. What's the difference between the pancake and a waffle? Can someone tell me? Because this shape in Lithuania, well, at least from Soviet times, we have a name for these čirviniai blynai, which is literally hard pancakes. Because it's like a heart. So this is a pancake for me. Even though I made it with a waffle iron. Still gets me. Anyways, I would drown these with some yogurt, natural yogurt, and some fresh berries. This will be such a delight in summertime. I have my Flintstone cup coffee ready. I have my afternoon snack in the shape of heart waffles, heart pancakes. So, guess who's happy? Okay, I should put the pretty berries on top so I could show you and you could compare. My waffles with Laura's. I felt so cheated because I feel like somehow, as I was waiting for the time that I could use this kind of waffle maker so much, in my head it stuck that this recipe is exactly that she used the heart-shaped one for some reason, but she just used round one, but the actual waffle is like Belgian waffle. So I felt kind of cheated because I thought she made those ones. Anyways, so these are great. I know I will be making this again, maybe though in the usual waffle thingy that I have, because that one actually has a little snap, this one doesn't. I'm really thinking to return it because I saw some parts of the plates melted. This is like additional info, but I'm now like thinking, how healthy are these? Well, they're not actually healthy anyways, like pancakes are not. But with the thing melting, am I getting some additional, chemical elements there? Anyways, I'm really excited to just dig in. I don't think I would be able to eat more than 2 or 3 because these are rich. The batter, as you saw, is really rich. But for a weekend, from time to time, this is great. If you want to try this recipe, check the description box down below. I convert every single recipe I try into the metric system because I'm using one from the Imperial. Am I smart now? So whatever metric system you're using, whatever measuring system you're using, you'll find it in the description box down below. If you make these, let me know if you liked. I know, I love such kinds of recipes because I'm obsessed with pancakes and waffles and anything which screams leisurely weekend morning to me. I thank you so much for watching. I hope that this was fun. If you want more recipes like this, I think they're on this side. I'm not really sure. And I will see you soon. Bye!